No carrier, dude? No carrier.
I got it. Let's see, keep everything fine. Forward.
Yeah.
Take the little way off, line it with the towel. Get a blanket, grab that sheet right there.
Good job, you got it.
Feet. Feet are burned, but
That's got nothing left in it. No.
Sweet thing.
Is there anybody working on that nap drag channel to meet us at the line? Is there anybody?